How do you define luxury? At Paleo Watch Company, luxury is beauty, comfort, classic style, and modern technology. Luxury is precision. Luxury is a Paleo watch. Designed for men and women, equally at home in business and casual settings, Paleo Watch Company is known for quality materials, exact standards, style, and exclusive limited availability with Swiss and Japanese automatic movements that result in precision timekeeping without winding and without batteries. The Vintage 100 watch from Paleo combines a durable and water-resistant stainless steel case, a beautiful 18-karat gold-plated bezel, a 4-piece diamond dial, 27 jewels, and a comfortable classic leather band. Paleo watches do more than tell time. Paleo speaks of your taste. Global distribution is available. See luxury defined. Visit paleowatchco.com.